Hey, Chad. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Let's see who's here with me. See, we're starting today off with no problems. All thanks to Raphael there. Our G. Raphael made sure yesterday that we saw the stream out, so that's awesome, man. But yeah, NFP coming out. Let's just quickly run over to the economic calendar. Economic calendar. Before we let the night Jevy, hey Lyndon, welcome, man. I'm just gonna throw this on like this quickly. You guys won't be able to see me, but you should be able to hear me. Oh, that looks very loud. Okay. Sorry, I'm just adjusting the sound here quickly because I see you guys will complain about the music being too loud. But there we have it. First things first, what I always do when I look at NFP, or any news events, I always make sure that I'm lined up with the right time. And then what I then do is I make sure that my filter is also set on the high impact news events only. So let's have a look here. Yep. Wait a minute. Am I too early for NFP? It looks like I'm a bit too early for NFP. NFP is 3:30 and not 2:30. Not a big problem at all. We can chill a bit. And see what's clapping. Let's see what's here. Mark Martins, afternoon, Jevo. Hey Mark, welcome, man. Happy 4 months to your princess, brother. Hey bro, thank you, man. Thank you. It feels so unreal, bruh. And she's starting to teeth, so even more unreal the feeling, makes it even more unreal. Yeah, man. Let's quickly run through the pay we looked at yesterday. Crash 500. I still can't believe 4 months went by so quickly. So yesterday, those trades I took here, I had a break even, and then I had a buy limit set out on this level right over here. Last night before I went to bed, stop was below the level, 20 pips, and you can see currently I am deep. I did send a result out of this to the group, so you guys can see over there. My target is 100 pips, so I'm almost there. I'm very close to TP, and then I'm gonna be making a little withdrawal there. A little weekend money. Jeff, have that brandy. Jeff, have a brandy ready, but the yells for the tea thing. Wait, Lyndon, a brandy for the baby or for me? Who's the brandy for? But yeah, guys, I want to ask you guys something as well. You guys are obviously also looking to trade NFP, right? That's why I see some faces here. Because not everyone is willing to stream the NFP live. I'm not gonna give it. Okay, so before we start off with this trading session, I wanted you guys to know that the only reason why I am live on YouTube right now, if you're listening, the only reason why I'm live right now is because I'm documenting my own journey, something for me to look back on. Everything in here is not financial advice. I wouldn't advise anyone to take my trades because I'm the worst trader out there, So I have the brandy on the gums, bro. Yo, I don't know how to feel about that one. But I must actually go to the shop later, and then I must go get the teething gel. I just hope they have it in stock, the one thing that was recommended to us. Otherwise, she must suck on her mommy's arm again like she did last night. Calpol. Am I pronouncing it right? Calpol. What's you guys' thoughts on NFP? What you guys? Let me quickly go back there. Okay. Okay. Seems like we're gonna be on the right side of things. I'll be honest with you. I do expect a weak dollar. Let me put it this way. I want to see a weak dollar. I can't say I really can't say it's gonna happen with NFP, but I want to see a weak dollar. I want to see a weak dollar. Yo, are we gonna have mixed data here? That's gonna be interesting. That's gonna be very interesting to see. Hey, into a CEO. Hey, welcome, man. Good to see the chat's busy here today. Always love this. Mark Martin says also a necklace you can buy. Clicks at this game was like a bomb for teething process for babies. Like a necklace vibe that you can like eventually put in the mouth and bite on. Is that what you mean? It's so nice having daddies around me, man. Like I'm getting a lot of recommendations, but it's so beautiful to see as well, man. Like how many dads actually are, man, and we all experience a similar thing with our kids. It's so beautiful, man. Also, guys, we have 8 concurrent viewers, but only 3 likes. Can we make sure that we like the stream? And also, if you have any friends that trade, make sure you share the link with them as well, so that we empower another individual. It's completely for free. So yeah, let's see. So that trade of mine yesterday here on Ripple, I entered here. I hit a break even. I took another position over here, and then I basically came into drawdown, and then I just closed it here, basically in a loss, and then I entered another position over here. So I'm already in the blues. So the stop basically covers that low. It's 50 cents. So I just want to see them basically break above this high over here as well, and then I will basically go break even. In fact, I'm going to minimize this risk just in case. Now you put the necklace around the neck for it to wear it. Okay. Sorry, I'm a bit slow, guys. Jeff, do you have a teething ring or even a Bolton was like we have a teething ring. We basically had our first experience with it last night. She was biting on it. She was cool with it for like a few minutes, but then I was like, the problem with the teething ring, then the problem with the teething ring was she was chilled on it, and then she started sucking on it, and then she realized it's not a tit, and she got irritated. And that's when we started looking into other recommendations, basically. Until CEO, does the news impact synthetics? Yes, they do. Certain synthetics, they actually do impact. Let me quickly give you an example of that. Called an amber teething necklace. Okay, let me check here. Amber teething necklace. Okay, I'm gonna send this to the Wi-Fi. Okay. As long as it's cold, they will love it. Yeah, bro. Trust me, bro. It was cold. Yo, I made sure, like, the moment like we realized what it is, bro, that's when we went to go look for it, and then put it in the freezer. Not like frozen, obviously, either, but it was liquor cold. So I want to see. Here's the one pair that is affected by synthetics on the rev. It's called the USD basket. It's basically literally a synthetic index based on the USD. So you'll see, actually, look how the 4-hour looks on this. So if we go to DXY, the 4-hour, let's clean this up. You would see that they look very, very similar. They look very, very similar. You see that? So DXY has a wick here, and then the the basket doesn't have a wick there, but as you can see, they're very, very similar. I prefer trading the basket because of the pips, you know, so that's my main reason why I go with that. Bro, my little on the stream is look going through the teeth, bro. That's what scared us last night, was when they said up to 36 months. Bro, I'll be honest, after we saw that, we were even like, we're not having another child now. We're not having another child now. No. Guys, you know what? I'm so disappointed, man. I really thought NFE is 2:30. I became here prepared, thinking that, this is just some back testing I did for a friend earlier, showing him how to use the bar replay and the timing box. Oh shit. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Oh, corporate takeover coming. Corporate takeover is coming. Sure, guys. Look here, and the team we have now. Yo. Kijk eens zo, nee. Kijk eens, we hebben fucked team. Nee. I am very, very excited to see what's gonna happen. I'm very excited to see what's gonna happen. 2025 is gonna be lit, the year of completion. Yo. I don't want to say anything on the stream, but if you guys watched my stories, I think yesterday, then you would kind of know what's clapping, what is brewing. Okay, almost time for that TP there. Let me just look at my other page. Oh, I'm so excited now. I forgot I must still be doing analysis. Yeah. Yo. Now we took some very potent trades the last few days. Yo. Waiting on this setup. This is a TP that has been taken. I don't know why it looks so huge. Okay, break to the downside there on boom. Very interesting. A boom coming up to that level that I've been waiting for. Boom is coming to that level I've been waiting for. Just need to wait for it. Still a long way to go. But be patient. Sadeep XP, what's the XRP news, bro? I don't know if I should say that publicly. I don't know if I should say it publicly. Let's just say, bro, let's not sleep on the channel. I'll just say that. Let's not sleep on the channel. I don't want to be held responsible and people telling me, oh, you gave me investment advice. Just look at XRP, bro. Just watch price. Just watch price. Did my account get unblocked? No, I did not. No, it did not get unblocked. You'll see every time I withdraw money. You'll see every time I withdraw money, it says Michaela. That's my girlfriend. So, or my Frokie, fiance. Yeah, I use her name. It's the only way, bro. It's the only way. And then I have another person's account I also have, in case things will ever go south with Michaela's account. I'm actually busy prepping her as well, busy teaching her the ropes of the industry. I want to have her set up a partnership with, I'm busy training her on the lingo, how to speak, what questions to ask. Like, I'm really giving her a deep understanding of the market and the industry itself, so that she can reach out to, because I mean, imagine this, me, Jevon, I reach out to the Riv on behalf of my girlfriend, you know. Nah, it's not gonna work. So yeah, we have something planned there, but all in due time. All in due time. Dave from here, a long time, my man. Jev to London. Hey. Okay. Yo, look here. Look here, guys. Sure, there's some shit gonna go down in this industry. Yo. I'm very excited. Those already saw, you guys will know. You can put two and two together. But hey, how's the bull run playing out? How's the bull run playing out? I called second week of August. Hey, Dave, it's running, bro. I called Ripple. I called Ripple when Ripple was literally, where is it? I called the buys on Ripple literally just before my cousin's wedding, which was around this time. So yeah, May, June, July, that area. This was a very significant time for me when I bought my Ripple. Me, my mom, my stepfather. This, like, bro, when this first move happened, that's when I was like, I believe in Ripple now. I believe in Ripple even more. I believe, Dave, I don't know if you can agree with this. You check this movie, and then I'm pretty sure also you've seen the glitch that happened where Ripple went to $17,000. I think this pair, I think Ripple is already at its value of $10,000 per coin. But the people who control the stock market, bro, they I almost said oppressing the price. It's like they're suppressing the price to keep it as low as possible. It sounds crazy when I say it, but why does it seem like those glitches, price wanted to go to the level it's actually at, and it was reset? Understand what I'm trying to say? Because think about it this way, it's possible for brokers, for instance, to like create candles in your chart. Like let's say there's a error that was through your liquidity provider. Why do they all have different candles? Understand what I'm trying to say? So Dave, bro, I hope you're still holding your crypto. I really hope you're holding your crypto. And to the moon, bro. To the moon. Ons gaan maan toe. Are you talking about Nasdaq listed? Firm works with limited revealed its plan to adopt Ripple's as a corporate treasury asset? No, I'm not talking about that. Said bro, I'm so scared I booked your name. I'm just gonna say Mr. XP. Said day XP. No, I'm not talking about that. The thing is, bro, there's so many people gonna adopt Ripple. It's crazy. If you look at the banks working with let me do this quickly. In no particular order here, some of the biggest banks using Ripple. Come on, man, load. I don't know why we're so slow here again today. I think I have too many charts open. But yeah, to me, the biggest thing is like the fact that these people, JP Morgan, bro, it's not just them. There's a lot of them. Bro, it's banks all around the world. Banks all around the world are gonna adopt Ripple, and that's why it's such a big thing. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you guys something. Have you guys ever heard of the Great Reset? Have you guys ever heard of the Great Reset? Oh yeah, I see some more and more adopting Ripple. Yeah. The thing with Ripple is, bro, it's fast, it's cheap. Fast and it's cheap. If you know what the Great Reset is, you'll know why this is such an important thing. Okay, so you know what the Great Reset is. Okay. So basically, to give you guys an idea, guys, we're gonna go down a rabbit hole now, but bear with me. The Great Reset, is an economic recovery plan created by the World Economic Forum, to help rebuild the global economy after the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. That's the most important thing we have to understand about this Great Reset. It's done by the World Economic Forum, Gou of julle nog iets wys. World Economic Forum logo. What do you see in this logo that looks very suspicious? What do you see in this logo that looks very suspicious? Is there maybe a drawing tool on Chrome? Mas ako so maak. I want to show you guys something. So how do I use it? Okay, look here. I'm gonna make it read. I'm gonna make it. Can I adjust the? Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh no. Okay, there we go. So what do you guys see in this picture of the World Economic Forum that looks very suspicious? I see a 666. I see 666. So with that said, I really just add that just to but you guys get the idea, eh? 666. Now I'll take it a bit further now, eh? Klaus Schwab. He is the chairman of the World Economic Forum. So the question becomes, who is this man to have this amount of power to be able to want to implement something like this? He actually wrote the book as well. The Great Reset. He wrote this book called COVID-19, The Great Reset. The question is, what are they trying to reset? What are they trying to reset with the 666 logo? You know, I'm just saying, guys. Maybe I'm connecting dots that shouldn't be connected, but I find it very, very strange. And this is why I say, like, this is a time, This is a time for us where we can set ourselves up. Not financial advice. This is my conspiracy theorist mind. So if you don't believe in conspiracy theories, then you know I'm not the guy for you. And this is all, like I said, entertainment purposes. But examine it. Like it's a bit weird. COVID-19, have everyone compliant, do a nice little big test in the whole world to see how quickly we would comply, would see how many people actually take the mark, you know. So when the time is right, they already have the test done, they've already studied us, they know exactly what we, yeah, jong, sama, yeah. And you know, when you talk about things like this, then so just listen to this voice note quickly. Alrighty. Okay then, yo. Klomp dingen wat aangaan, yo. Okay, guys, I just want to go grab something to eat quickly because I'll be very honest with you. I literally thought NFP is 2:30. I thought it's 2:30. So then, just before I started the stream, we're finishing up things here at home with baby and whatever the case, and I was like, shit, like I have to go live, I can't eat, So I just want to go grab a bite quickly. Just so I have something in my stomach. And my mind doesn't keep on going to like, oh, that French toast, So yeah, let me just have a bite quickly. I won't be longer than 2 minutes, so stay here, don't go anywhere. If you go somewhere else, you need a stop loss. See, now I feel so much better. Now I'm ready now. Now I'm ready now. I also made my first manifestation. Not first, but my first of these. I actually saw it from someone. So okay, now let me not share that secrets with you guys. Yeah. Let me not share that secrets with you guys. You guys can buy my manifestation course in 2026 when I actually manifest everything, and I'll sell it. I'll become a personal development guru. I'll become a Toby Robbins. Or Tony Robbins. Okay, nothing here on the boom page as yet. Nothing on booms yet. I know Mian called something. I think Mian called a trade here yesterday. Yeah, I think Mian called this move. 200 pips. I want to say one thing, chat. I want to say one thing. It's difficult for me to stream. I want to say difficult for me to stream alone. But if I'm quiet, I don't want you guys to feel like this brow's not saying anything. And then you guys leave the stream. However, I want you guys to remember that the chat is open to any questions, like literally anything. You can talk about anything. I just don't want you guys to feel like if I'm quiet, I'm not interested in actually saying anything. But my thing is also, I don't want to just talk and go on a tangent, and then eventually you guys like, what's a klomp kak praat, Jevon? Lyndon, are you in Cape Town? Hey, champ. Welcome. Jix is here as well. Lovely, man. NFP incoming. Hey, ons wag patiently hier vir die NFP. Ons wag patiently. How's it, bro? I'm good, man. I'm good. Can't complain, champ. How are you doing? Just a bit exhausted. That's why I didn't stream this morning, bro. Baba's tea thing is insane. She kept us up. Guys. Oh, guys, let me tell you guys something that happened last night. Yo. Look here, so I finally go sleep just after 3. I think I went to go sleep 20 to 4, something like that. In my dream, guys, look here, I had the most vivid dream I've ever had. Yo. So I saw something about this a few days ago. But I couldn't find the exact exactly what happened, man. So in my dream last night, I can't remember everything, but I'm in this church building type of thing, and while I'm standing there, I see one of the Rothschilds, Jacob Rothschild, and in my dream I'm like, shit, I'm gonna talk to this guy, and I talk to him. I'm not gonna say what I said in the dream, I don't wanna get banned on YouTube or anything. Anyway, after that, guys, this was a long dream. We get in the car with my uncle and Cyril Bika. Cyril Bika was killed years ago. And then eventually, I'm in this building, and here's a funny thing about the dream. This building I'm in is a reoccurring dream I've had for years now. I'm trapped in this building. I can't get out of this building. The only difference this time in the dream was, in the reoccurring dream, I'm there with my uncle and we can't escape. This time, I'm there alone. Then I wake up to a headline that says one of the Rothschilds was burned alive in their homes. And I was like, who was I speaking to in my dream last night, huh? Yo, Jeff, do you think now's good dump NFP? Nah, I don't know. I don't give financial advice, but I want to see a weak dollar. That's all I will say. I want to see a weak dollar. A weak dollar could mean some all-time highs on Nasdaq and US 30. Some new all-time highs potentially. Caleb, sub Jeff. Hey Caleb, welcome man. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good man, can't complain. Okay, nice reaction of that level we marked out over there. Yeah, maybe not all-time highs, but to come to the supply over here, but then be so close to all-time highs. Friday, end of the week, still beginning of December. Fake moves, so I think maybe before end of this year we might still see all-time highs on US 30. Maybe even the same on Nasdaq. Now you see, this is a tricky one. Because demand not mitigated, supply not mitigated, so we are trapped in the range. Waiting for the poor outcome on the dollar. Hey, what do you mean by poor outcome? Do you also want a weak dollar? Okay, lovely man. I mainly just want to see the dollar push down so the Ripple can go up. Oh my word. How do we make time go faster? We gotta have some fun. They say if you have fun, time goes faster. So Jakes, you seem like a very interesting guy. I have a question for you. You seem like a guy who would be able to give me a proper answer for this as well. Jakes, ne? Would you fight yourself to the death for $1 billion, ne? Now listen to this. You're fighting exact same clone of yourself. He thinks like you. He adapts to circumstances like you. Anything you think you know about yourself or you don't know about yourself, this guy knows about you. He's an exact clone of you. Would you fight yourself to the death for $1 billion? You seem like a guy with an open mind. Caleb, how was my trading week so far? Very good. So I took quite a few trades. So this is the trade we took, the spending order this morning. In profit, we almost at TP. We up 1 to 4. This is a break even we had over here. Did I take another crash this week? No, I didn't. I think I took crash 1000. Let me get the open crash 1000. So that's 1 win, 1 BE. No, I didn't take more crash pairs. I think I was mainly boom. Yeah, it was mainly boom. So I wanted to buy here, but there was nothing that came through. Boom 500. Took a sell over here for about 170 pips. No, I'm wrong. I came out with 200 pips. So I came out. No. Yeah, I got out here for 200 pips, 240 pips more or less. I came out somewhere here 220, and I took a sell here as well. I was gonna sell here at this level, and I closed somewhere over here, if I'm not mistaken. Hey chat, no, yeah. So I closed it right over here on stream on this level. What else was there that we took? Boom 1000, didn't take anything there. Yeah, so had a pretty good week. Ripple, we also bought Ripple. I bought Ripple here. I had a break even, unfortunately, and then I bought Ripple here yesterday, and I had another break even, unfortunately. And and then I took it again last night over here, went into profit, but then we came back down, and you'll see that basically the Asian session, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna fuck around with this, and I basically just cut it. And this is where I cut it just after I threw out this level over here, and then this became a point of interest. There's also a strategy I'm working on now regarding, you'll see that there's this line, there's one over here, that's why I took the buy, there's one over here, you'll see how the market traded down. So there's a very interesting method I kind of also saw around this, using like the power of three candles and 2 fair value gaps, a fair value gap and an inverse fair value gap. So yeah, one that we did, even if I win, it depends which version wins. Wait. So you're willing to fight yourself to the death for $1 billion? Sure. Nah, I respect your commitment, bro. I respect your commitment. Okay, bro. Also invested in Ripple a while ago. Hey, bro, you're on the right track there. I will put another theory forth about Bitcoin. I mean about Ripple, and then like guys, look, yeah, like I said, my trades are based on historical and occult knowledge. You hear me out why I say this? So we all know PayPal, right? Okay, who was the first founder of PayPal? Elon Musk, right? What was PayPal before PayPal? PayPal before PayPal was known as X.com. No? X.com. So let's search PayPal. I just want to double check. I could be wrong about this one. Yeah, okay, yeah, they've been okay, they don't have a old PayPal X logo. Okay, you see over here, right? Okay, this is how the old logo more or less looked. Okay. Wait, never mind that. Okay, so now we all know Twitter is X, right? So X.com. This is how X looks. That's Twitter. So XRP logo. Very interesting, how Elon, the richest man in the world, founded a company called X, right? And that was the first online digital money that we saw back then, back in the day, which basically created all this trust for digital currencies. And now the richest man in the world basically has X, and it looks similar to Ripple. And so X.com bank. But the idea is, look here, a month ago, Elon Musk's X was supposed to be a bank. There's a link there that we must put together. Synthetics is a bietjie hard om te trade, ek sê. Caleb, why do you say it's a bietjie hard om te trade? What synthetics do you mostly trade? Dave, how you feeling? Nervous fighting the engine to convince me to trade or not to trade news? Hey guys. Okay, so 15 more minutes. Until daai tyd. Come on, Crash Man. Hit TP. I wanna withdraw. Wanna withdraw. I don't think it's difficult verstaan, Luxie. It's not. It's really not that difficult. Sorry, man. I just realized I never flipped back to the screen. But just to go back there, Caleb. What are synthetic indices? The main thing I always say, bro, is that you're just understanding like what you are actually trading. So basically, synthetic markets on the RIV are financial instruments that simulate real-world market characteristics and available for 24/7 trading. So it doesn't exist. It's a fugazi, a woozy, a wazi. It's not on the elemental chart. It's a if you know that, you've watched Wolf of Wall Street way too many times. But then basically they have a lot of pairs basically in it, and there is a synthetic indices are generated by a cryptographically secure random number generator and are not tied to any specific underlying market. They are designed to mirror financial markets, allowing traders to hone their strategies without direct impact of actual market events. So what this also means is news doesn't affect synthetics except for this one which we've looked at, which is the USD basket. The USD basket basically is the... Let me go back to what this is. I can just show it to you. US basket. So you'll see here's the USD basket, and then here's the XY on the 4 hour. Let me just do this. Okay, actually, yeah, you can see. You'll see they look very, very similar. See, they look very, very similar. So that's the only one synthetic I know of so far that basically is similar to a real market. Right now you get different ones. For instance, drift switching indices. Now these indices switch between bullish or bearish or sideways trends. Now here's the thing also. Okay, I'm gonna this is not financial advice. This is from my deep research and understanding and conspiracies, that I've come up with this information. So the market is time-based, right? So the most important thing that must happen when you wait for a trade is that you know that we have a ribbon on the right, which is for our price. Then we have a ribbon at the bottom, which is for our time. Now, time and price must always meet in order for you to have good trades. And what I mean by this is, let's quickly make an example. Let's go to the 50-minute chart in EU, and you'll see based on timing, for instance, whenever London session comes in, there's more volume compared to Asia. So then we can see, okay, there's obviously something there to do with the open of London, the open of New York. So now we have an understanding of time. Now we know, for instance, let's say the market has done something, and now you have a level, let's say down here. You have your price. Now it's a matter of time. For instance, let's say this line represents New York session or London session, the time that you're supposed to trade, or the open of a session. Then the whole idea then becomes basically time and price must meet, right? So the thing with why I mentioned this is on the RIV. Let's quickly go back there. So for instance, you'll see there basically DEX indices. These indices experience dramatic spikes or drops every 15, 30 or 45 minutes. So by having this information, you already have an upper hand. You know when to expect spikes. You know when to expect certain moves. Then you have volatility indices. These indices offer a range of constant volatilities from 10 to 250%. Now, which means the lower the pair is, the less volatile it is, and the higher we go, the more volatile the pair becomes. Then crash and boom, the ones which I trade the most, is the rapid spikes basically. But crash and boom, basically, you'll see that it's crash and boom 1000 and 500, and there's more of them. The idea behind this is crash 500 has a spike after every 500 ticks. you know. So it's a very interesting market to trade once you understand it. In my opinion, it's better than forex. I'm being honest. It's better than forex. Where the cam go? So we have different scenes on our thingy. Caleb. My first trading rule, Jigs, is not to trade news. Safest bet. Jev or Jigs, are you participating in Gene activities? Bearish, but let's wait and see. Jigs, are you bearish on dollar? Yeah, we're expecting bearish dollar. I'm setting this one out. Yannick, Caleb, bro, like, Caleb, I'll be honest with you. I've made more money trading synthetics than any other market. I've made more money trading any other market, bro. Bro, like, if you look at the risk to reward on some of these pairs, bro, there is a trade we called out on our Discord, ne? I can literally go back. What was this? The 1st of December, ne? You can see it, the 1st of December. Okay. Let me just get the vibes going here for NFP. Let's get the vibes going here for NFP. What's a good track? What's a good track? What's a good track? What's a good track? Yo, we're just gonna bring the. You guys can recommend some songs as well. So let me quickly show you that. Let me go to my Discord. I don't know why. Okay, for some reason. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, here's our Discord, ne? Synthetic indices. Every trade I've taken this week, synthetic wise, I've shared with the people. We sent out the 1st of December. That is. Wait a minute. The 1st of December. Didn't I send it out? Or did we just discuss it on stream? I might be wrong about that one. My bad, man. My bad, man. But the idea is, like, look here, bro. I wanted to sell boom. Okay? I want to sell boom 1000 at this level. If I sold boom at this level, right? If I sold boom there, it's based on the 4 hour. Literally target these lows. So all the way down here, that would have been. That's 1,000 pips right there. That's 1,000 pips. And I mean, your stop would always be like 20 pips. So you have a risk reward of 1 to 48. Bro, it's insane, these synthetics. It's insane. Once you master your pairs, you can really go very, very far with them. So synthetics price action is basically more understandable. I wouldn't say it's more understandable. Like, I trade a method called the market maker method. So for instance, I have a very simple rule when I trade. My Asian box, if price breaks below the box, I'll look for buys. Above the box, I'll look for sells. So you know, obviously no method is 100% perfect. So this would have been a lost day over here, but also you need confluency. So I am bullish on this space, so there would have been no confluence to sell there. You must obviously trade in line with your thingy. So here's a good example. Here we can see the market made a lower low, and we can see market shifters bullish at this point, right? It left us with a demand zone right over here. So then we can see on this day over here, the market broke below the Asian box. So I'll be looking for buys. Same over here, the market broke above the Asian box looking for sells. Break below the box, look for buys. So that's the way I trade. So if I go back to some of my trades quickly, you'll see here we can see market broke above the Asian box, I sell. Above the Asian box, I sell. Right now I'm waiting for market to break above the Asian box so I can sell. Crash, market breaks below the Asian box, I buy. So this is still yesterday, below the Asian box. I bought this in Asia, but I bought, but you get the idea, Hey Nico, long time man. Nico is back in SA bro. How's it feel back to be, Nico, how's it feel to be back in the motherland? Ask the red card draws in the chat. Oh yeah, I see you bro. Away Caleb bro, like really bro, like synthetics are, oh bro, can you get range break as one that consolidates so long bro and suddenly just spikes bro, up or down. It's my favorite. Crash and boom and range break, my favorite piece. Nico's in the house here. And we only have a few more minutes. Dan komt NFP hier. Oh. You know what I don't like? Why is everything so expensive here? What do you mean, Nico? What do you mean? You know what I don't like now, guys, eh? DXY is still in the range. Still in the Asian range. So anything can happen. Literally anything can happen. Okay, let's take this profit and crash. Let's close it there and make a little withdrawal real quick. You guys will probably hear a sound of withdrawal. Ding! Oh no, but I need the withdrawal link from Michaela. Damn it, man. Okay, guys, I just want to withdraw this cash quickly. Much is that profits? Okay, withdrawal done. I'm buying gold and selling USD ZAR. Bro, I went to the shops quick and nou is my geld weg. Yo, Nico. I know how you feel, bro. I know how you feel. Not financial advice, yeah, guys. What the fuck? Fuck. And it takes we bring the vibes here, so at least even if we are wrong on our direction, at least like there's vibes in the background, I want to see a weak dollar. I'm already in Ripple. I'm already in buys on Ripple. So it's either I will get clapped or I want to be smiling. So if I'm announcing, okay, 45 seconds. Like I said, also not financial advice. Not financial advice. I'm just documenting my journey. This is only time purposes. Like, I'm the worst trader alive. You guys want to follow me? You guys want to learn from me? 20 seconds. Yo, the music is like on point right now. Like it's the beat's gonna drop at the right time and Okay, let's see. What's gonna happen? Huh? Wait, what weak ass moves is this? What weak moves is this? Oh, staan doodstil. Oh, staan doodstil, man. Nee, yan. 20 pups. Nee, hulle kan maar gelos het. Hulle kan maar gelos het. But I don't think it's the in. I don't think it's the in. I don't think it's the in. Like when we like walk away. Yo, I had all this anxiety for no reason now. Let me quickly get the withdrawal link to my lady. Get to get the withdrawal link to my lady. Wait, I need to send her the withdrawal link. I'm here, eh? Just want to get the withdrawal link from YT50. Yo, that was really disappointing. That was really disappointing. Hey, wifey coming through with the withdrawing there. Hey. If your wife doesn't send you withdrawing, I don't know, bro. You know, dua kan over. Ayan now. Ting. Hey, there we go. Withdrawal done. Withdrawal done. Withdrawal done.
Now the light has left the dark I fear when I reach for him and he's not here. Many times have come when he is gone, yet I find the strength to carry on.
Okay, so what's the plan now, guys? What we're gonna do? Let's play some chess. Play some chess. Who wants to play some chess? Wants to we can chess. So now I'm gonna patiently wait on this trade, so I can potentially. I'm just gonna move this here. Now I'm gonna just wait again to get in again. No man, really? Is that it? So that was it. Yo, Nasdaq Nasdaq didn't even go to a supply demand zone. But at least everyone ate, ne? Everyone made money. Everyone made money, ne? I'm gonna itch for a trade now. Once again, all free. Told you guys, a weak dollar. Who else is doing this shit for free? Live on YouTube, in real time, making withdrawals live in real time too. Hey, huh? And if you doubt that, hey Jeff, this news events is becoming non-events. I think they're adapting to the Ripple market. Ripple's gonna take over. But yeah, you guys can see there, like, you see if I can. Here's the withdrawal. Then you can see. Not much, maar ietsie, je verstaan? And that's the main thing that I always tell you guys, like, many claim to make money, but few can show withdrawals. Als we 100 rand. Commissions don't count. Okay, if we close above that level, break even en ons gooi maan toe. To be honest, like, yo, my target's gonna be massive on this thing, because I want price to go to $5 a coin. I want price to go to $5 a coin. Sheesh, Vibe Fridays, Biden, you know the vibes, bro, you know the vibes. The things we do for our community in front of mensen. Yo, this takes me back to when I was a kid, yo. Yo, ang si mensen dronk na per die tafel jong. Ang si me, kom je naar huis toe? Het is laat. Yo, those were the days. Now, like really, guys, like for real. I don't think you guys understand like how much I love streaming for you guys and just being here. Like think of like, hey, we have 1,000 subs. There's 10 people watching. You know, some people will be discouraged, like, oh, like at least 100 people, whatever the case. But you know, for me, like I said it the other day as well. If there's even one person here, you know, who I can stream for and we're vibing, bro. As die wereld recht. Because yeah, I'll say it again, man. Like who else is doing it, man? Like S&P. Who else is doing it like S&P? Good old days, takes, you know the vibes, Yo, gold, even gold, like, okay, gold, okay, move 100 pips, it's a lot of pips, but, yo, so basically, I discovered something, it's not a strategy, not financial advice, but maybe something you can play around with, and we can see where it takes us. So basically, what you look for is a top or bottom. Like you want to look for a pattern, something like this, at the high and low of the day. A candle that trades up, and then like something with like this with the wick. You get the idea. So what happens now is you can see there most likely be a fair value gap here. Something like, let's say the other candle wick, something like this. Let's say it's something like that. Nee? Let's say it's something like that. Then you'll see on the opposite side there's also an inverse fair value gap. So I've kind of discovered something on a double move like this, especially if it's a sweep. If price comes back to this level, then you can expect that to happen. Let me show you what I mean by that. Where did I do it? Which time frame was it? Yeah. So this is where it bottomed out, ne? This is where it bottomed out. You see it? There's a pattern. So this is the fair value gap, the one, and this is the inverse one. See? So then you wait for price to basically shift. And we can see the shift, and price comes back that tap. So I'll take it a bit further. I can't remember what this was, why I put that there. Let's go double check that real quick. Yeah, look here is another one. Okay, like obviously you don't want to be going for every single one of them, but I played around with it and it was like very interesting. For the shift, the break of structure, continuation, over here as well. You can see how price reaction, price get to that point. It's very interesting. The market's very, very interesting. I'm gonna play around with it a bit more, and then like when I have a set of more rules, I feel like we can maybe test it out on stream a few times. Jeff, do you think Nas will sustain this bullish momentum even on a Friday? The way I understand it is Friday is end of the week, so it's a fake move. So most likely what's going to happen is people might chase this momentum. Maybe the next candle will do something like this. And what people will say is, okay, we have that move. Or let's say, for instance, they see this as some sort of support from 1977. Because what is support and resistance really? What is true support and resistance? So most likely, even if you want to do it in this sense, maybe viewing it as like that, then what people will wait for is for price to go break above that level up there. But that's the biggest mistake you can make, buying so high. Then they will buy there. What's going to happen then is the market will then pull back down and end the day in consolidation, trapping you into the weekend. And then you must pray that the market gaps up on Monday so that you survive. Otherwise, if it gaps to the opposite side, and then, because the only thing that makes sense, the highs are weak, so it must go bullish to make higher highs. That's what I think is going to happen. This is very psychological happening right here. Rejects, almost like it's forming the next lower high leg, or you could go to reject. 1 hour. This thing is fighting. This thing is fighting. Yo. Nee, look at the rev, nee, the rev is... What now do I make a withdrawal? I made a withdrawal, 20... Let me see if I can share this here. Let me see if I can share my screen here. No, there's emails there you guys can't see. But I received my money. The revelers are won. That was like what? Like not even 20 minutes. And I received the money when? In 13 minutes. 13 minutes I received the withdrawal. Check that. 13-minute withdrawal. Huh? And now it's just a matter of one more transaction in my bank account in 10 minutes. Oh, you know what I just realized? Okay, now it is moving. Okay, it is moving. It's moving. Yo, this thing is really fighting, Dollar injecting. See, the main thing is price must just break out of these levels here, man. Because the institutional points are holding it. This is the biggest problem right now. be nice to see when I also can break about 35 cents. Then I can sleep in peace tonight. If you can just cross this level today, I'll sleep in peace. But guys, the market's very, very slow. There's nothing else I'm looking at. The only other pair that I can look at is basically boom, but as a trade all the way up is not gonna happen within the session. So yeah, man, I'm gonna have to go now. As I have to run to the shops, like I said, the baby's teething, so I need to get something for her. And then guys, Lucrecio, what's up everyone? Hey, all good, man. We're about to end stream now. But guys, I have nothing to do this weekend. I'm grinding now for December. So I'll be going live again tomorrow. Synthetic indices. Make sure you fund your account so we can mold some markets there over the weekend. I love the names Crash, Boom, Bang. Hey Byron. But like I said, guys, it's always much love being here with you guys. We're gonna go live tomorrow as well. Tomorrow 9 o'clock, tomorrow morning, and potentially 3 o'clock as well. So let's try and maximize what we can do, because from the 17th or 18th of December I won't be going live. I have some family coming over to visit us. The first time I'll be able to do something like this with my family. So yeah, I'm not gonna be stressing myself up with too many things, you know. So guys, it's Friday also. Enjoy it. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Altijd buy a lifter. And then also just want to let you guys know there, for the people who are interested in knowing how I trade, we still have a little Black Friday special running this. So if you want to get in touch with me, here's my number in the chat. And then you can literally just send me a WhatsApp. We can set up a call and we can see how we can help you. And like we said, like, it's not financial advice. Education, it's for entertainment purposes only. So if you want to see how I approach the market and get a glimpse into my mindset and how I approach things, feel free to hit me up, and then we will take it from there. And the other thing is, my number is pinned in the chat. If you want to join our Discord, here is our link to the Discord as well. Get in touch with me, guys. Get in touch with me. I don't bite, so it could be for your own benefit. Much love, guys. Much love. Groet liefde vir julle.